It's snowing again! Yeah, Caleb. He's loving it. I don't know where his woolly hat is. Oh well. Wait. No, Caleb. I'm trying to make a snowman, but it isn't enough snow. So, trying to find some snow. Yeah? Yeah, good boy. Now, yeah. Yeah, like this, look. Like this. Yeah. Good boy. Should we get another one again?
Yeah.
Okay, give it. Let me give it to you. Good boy. Go get it again. Go. Good boy. Well done. Should we kick it through? Like this? Yeah? We make a skinny one. Again? Okay, get it from this way. Good boy. Good boy. Say cheese. It's the day before Mother's Day and we are currently in Asda getting Mama Mother's Day stuff. These are favorite cookies in existence, so we're just picking up loads of different stuff. Okay, so I'm with Sumaya and Yusuf and we're going militant. Yes, so balloons, everything's done. We just need to get the gifts now and go to town to get the gifts. Oh yeah, you're getting cake as well. Yeah, okay. We're just in town getting Mama some stuff. Okay, so we is done. I legit came to town looking like this. Hair. Look at mine, okay? So we finished with Mother's Day stuff. We've picked up quite a few stuff for Mama. Yeah. And we're gonna go home and decorate, and then cook for tomorrow as well. Yeah. And yeah, she better enjoy this shit. Yeah. No, bye. Look what the hell somebody's done to her hair. It looks nice on video, but it's really disgusting. It is proper. Where's the car? There it is. So let's see it in the light. In the light, it's something else. No, it looks nice. No, it looks in video. It looks nice, but in real, it's disgusting. It's Mother's Day. Caleb, no, Caleb, don't, no, Caleb, Caleb, no. Caleb, come on, let's make the sandwiches. Let's make the sandwiches, okay? Let's go. One. So yeah, we're gonna cook. We're just gonna make everything now. Me and Sumaya basically. You can see Sumaya's legs. But yes, Sumaya's cooking up in this mother. She is cooking rice and I'm gonna go make the pasta. So yeah. Rice is done. Chicken curry is done. I think that's enough, Nan. We've set up like little tea and I've just made the sandwiches as well. So it was ploughman's, tuna and sweet corn and cheese and pickle. And now we're gonna just clean the rest of the place basically. So these two are ready. Don't let them know.
Well, now they know. Let it go.
I am ready. I've put on one of Mama's clothes really because the clothes that I picked up, Caleb stained the whole thing. And if you guys haven't noticed, I gave myself a quick trim as well and I love it. It just seems so much healthier. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go sort out everything else downstairs. So yeah. We've told Mama that we're going to Pizza Hut. So she thinks we're going to Pizza Hut for Mother's Day. But she doesn't know that we've set up the whole day for her. So the baby's sleeping. Hey Papa. My beautiful Papa.
Raji,
Papa. Raji. The love of my life. Love you, Papa. Mama, happy Mother's Day. I love you so much. Okay. Jumpy toad.
Who told you I'm going? Sick.
Aww.
Gringa, gringa,
Gringa, gringa, gringa, gring. Gringa, gringa, gring. Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
Baby goes out! Oh my god, that's lovely.
It's okay.
Allah, this is beautiful.
Ha, Mama, that's the starter, idi.
This started. Oh, Khaira, the started.
Starters, bas dadi ke na. That's the afternoon tea, da, ha?
Some afternoon chai.
Ma afternoon chai, da. Mama, ras malaim pakide.
Oi, hoi, hoi. Wasi lagi aani ke
हाँ.
exam.
Happy Mother's Day! Everyone. Another bit of the gifts. Oh. So, oh. Another great son.
Oh, record what? It's nothing. It's not much. Did you have afternoon tea then?
Yes,
You had
very nice.
afternoon tea?
5 of us.
You don't want to filter that.
Please.
Make sure. Mama, no, you're fine.
When Ella was little,
Yeah.
2.5-year-old, she opened my she opened my watches drawer. Yeah, she said, "Oh, Suma, you got so many watches." I say, "You can have all these watches when I die." About 10 minutes later, she cut to me. She said, "Suma, when you gonna die?" Astaghfirullah.
Oh, thank you,
I
Taylor.
was only 2.5.
He is insane.
Okay, take this off.
Bye, Som. Bye, Som. I love you, Som. Love you, Sumaya. Bye-bye. Love you, bye. Bye. So, Mama, did you have a really nice Mother's Day?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
You enjoyed it? Okay, good. Well, I hope you guys had an amazing Mother's Day and enjoyed the video too. Right, Mama? So what are they supposed to do, Mama? Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment.
Okay. Love you, Mama. Bye, guys.